Hey y'all, welcome back. We are today at the Pikewood here at Massey for meal. Let's look around. This is a master down, really amazing plan. I'm excited to show you. Let's start by here. This is pretty much they have it set up as a studio, which you can be easily make at a really big dining table. It will be your dining area, but they also have the option to maybe close this up and just put some French doors and make it your studio. Yes, at home. Check out the bonus room here. It's not a bonus room, I could just cut it there. Oh. Since you do have your master down, you also have your laundry room downstairs. Really spacious, really great looking. And well, let's check out the best part of the home, this open concept. Look at this massive island. Look at this great massive area. Oh my gosh. I could just lay here all day long. Great hood and all these details, they are really coming back. All these golden handles. And well, this is pretty much another video on decor that this home has, but it's really amazing European style. The decorative is coming up, and that's actually a topic for another video that we're gonna explore. You impressed by that walk-in shower yet? Coming in! Whoa! You can also have an option actually. They can put a rain shower top here, and then you can just stand there just chilling. And I do want you to appreciate this tunnel lighting that is in here, because this is what makes your house your home. You feel warm, you feel rejuvenated in the mornings, and you can just always wake up to the light of the sun. That's basically how your neurons react to your actually organism. You feel awake, you feel alive. You can feel like you're home. Yeah, this home has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and even though it's maybe less than 3,000 square foot, it feels very open and very cozy at the same time. You feel like you are attracted to it, like it's a magnetic effect. Let's look upstairs because you're gonna love my favorite part of this home. A balcony. You kidding me? A balcony in a home like this in a just under 3,000 square foot? Come on. This is all building up, of course. We're at the Massey, still at 4 mil. And this is pretty much where everything comes together. You can see your kids running around, you have your neighbors. This is just one of my favorite places where you can just breathe in. Do you see yourself having a drink out there? Come in. One more bedroom up here with a full bathroom. Really spacious. Well, thank you for watching this far. If you do like this plan, it's available at Taylor Morrison in the Massey at 4 mil. And if you have any questions, please drop them below. I love to help you and show you the homes that we have around South Charlotte and the Charlotte area. This is all new construction, so you do have to know where to look. And I'm here for you. My name is Rodolfo Duq, real estate broker in North Carolina and South Carolina. Thanks for watching. Ciao.